Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video by AwesomeVacuums. So, this is just going to be a quick first look on this Hoover WindTunnel Supreme that I got a few weeks ago. I got it at Goodwill for $20. And I'm really happy to have it because I have always wanted this exact machine in this exact color scheme with the translucent blue color. So yeah, I'm very happy to have it. I mean, as you can see, it's in decent shape. It's definitely dirty and stuff, but I will definitely clean this up. I think it will clean up very nicely. And as you can see, it's missing the two extension ones, but I think I can get those easily. And the tools it does have with it are, if I just open this up, there we go, the upholstery nozzle, as you can see, and the dusting brush, which, as you can see, that's quite a small dusting brush, but it's a little bit of hair and stuff on it, but that should come off. And it's a bit dirty up here, but I think it will clean up very nicely. Now, it is missing the crevice tool, unfortunately, so I'll have to see if I can source one of those. And let's see what else we got here. And now I took the bag out of my T series. So this is a Type Y HEPA bag. I just put it in here for the time being, just so I can make this quick video. So yeah. Now, speaking of whoops, sorry about that. Anyway, I just pop this back on, which, there we go, and close that. Anyway, speaking of bags, I did get some of these. So I got Type A, the older style Type A. Let's see, I got two of those. I got this one here. This is also a slightly different, but it is Type A, and that one I believe is genuine. This one doesn't look to be genuine. Same with this one, which is kind of ironic because this machine uses Type Y bags, not Type A. So I don't know why, unless the person had a older machine that used Type A, I'm not sure. But they do fit in there, it's just bigger. So you can see that looks like a Hoover convertible on there. So yeah. So 3 Type A's and one pack of Type Y's, and it looks like they taped this on there. As you can see, allergen filtration. But I'm gonna keep these bags, but I'm not gonna use them for rather obvious reasons. I'm gonna run the HEPA bags in this. So yeah. Anyway, let's take a look at the brush roller. So if I just lower this down carefully, there we go. So it looks like somebody replaced this brush roller at one point, because this is like new. And it looks like a CWP brush roller, which I'm very happy to see, because either way, if this didn't have one in, I was gonna buy one anyway, but this one's already got one fitted, which is really nice. So yeah, got the height adjuster wheels, which seem to spin okay. Belt seems okay in this. Let's just check the model number. So this is model, where is it? There it is. U5468-900. This one here, I believe, is, yeah, made in Mexico. So this was a later one, before they went to being made in China. So yeah, and let's see. Of course, we got the cord here. So if I just drop it, now the cord hook's a little stiff. It all comes out. And now it looks like this has come out of the, because it's supposed to be clipped in these little clips here. So yeah. So if I just, well, that one's hard to clip in. And whatever. Anyway, let's see. Got the hose, which definitely is going to need cleaning. It's a decent length, not the longest, but not the shortest, but it is nice and stretchy. And then of course got a little flap here to close it. So yeah. So I guess what I'll do now is I'll plug it in and I'll just run it really quick. So let's do that. Alright, so it's now plugged in, and and it has a slight problem with the switch. When I plugged it in, even though the switch was in the off position, it still turned on. I had to kind of mess around with it to shut it off. So let's see what it does. Yeah, see? There we go. So either there's something wrong with the switch or it's stuck or something. Maybe it just needs to be cleaned. But anyway, let's just try it out real quick. So yeah, as you can see, the switch is definitely a little finicky, but it's definitely going to need to be looked at. But as you can see, it grooms the carpet very well, and you can hear that brush roller is very aggressive. So let's try the hose real quick. Oh, look at that. Switch finally worked. Ah, now it's working. So, no, it's not. Alright, yeah, I'm just not gonna turn that on anymore, but anyway, as you can see, it's in really nice shape. Will definitely clean up very well. So you should see a overview and demonstration of this once it's all refurbished. So just a quick little video for you. That's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.